Well, 9 on Your Side has investigated plenty of stories that question how well our state's Child Protective Services live up to its name. Now, as Craig Smith reports, the chief of that agency concedes it heard thousands of calls claiming kids were in danger and never checked them out.
And so,
listen, as the chief of Child Protective Services concedes how many children CPS did not protect.
We know that it has resulted in 6,000 cases where we are not sure whether or not children are in harm's way.
State law says CPS must check every claim a child is in danger. Agency Chief Clarence Carter told lawmakers he found out only this week thousands of calls to the CPS hotline were marked NI, not investigated, and that practice reached back about 4 years.
Shouldn't someone have had the right to stand up and say, their kids in trouble? These people we're not even checking it out whether these kids are in trouble.
State Senator Steve Farley understands CPS workers are stretched thin, but he thinks the agency's director has been afraid to ask lawmakers for enough money to truly deal with huge caseloads. Jan Wallace is behavioral health director for Casa de los Niños, but she was a CPS worker, and she knows the value of seeing a child's situation.
You don't really know until you go out and investigate, but they haven't had the resources to dispatch people for all of those investigations.
Now, CPS Director Carter portrayed the uninvestigated calls as an effort to stretch resources that simply went wrong. Senator Farley says it is time for Carter to go. Governor Brewer hired Carter and has the power to fire him. She describes what happened as an inexcusable failure and has assigned the Department of Public Safety to investigate what happened. In the newsroom, Craig Smith, KGUN-9 on your side.